Let's make a White Cinnamon C.O.F, Cuban Old Fashioned. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make a White Cinnamon Cuban Old Fashioned. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. An Old Fashioned is a spirit with sugar with bitters. So a Cuban Old Fashioned is a Old Fashioned made with rum instead of what's usually used in them, which is whiskey. I'm calling this one a White Cuban Old Fashioned, a White C.O.F, because it's using a white rum. If it was using an aged rum or some other type of rum, I may change the name. I'm also calling it a Cinnamon White Cuban Old Fashioned because it's going to have some cinnamon syrup in it as the sugar. Note that my dogs have been petitioning me. They want to change the name of the drink, the general category, from C.O.F to R.O.F, Rum Old Fashioned. Cuban Old Fashioned doesn't sound right to them. R.O.F sounds better. But right for now, it is a C.O.F. A note on the rum. This is a spirit-forward cocktail, so you are going to want to use a white rum. My go-to rum for this sort of drink is Far North Spirits, a Lander white rum. I'm out of that right now. I'm going to be using Plantation 3-Star instead. Technically not quite white, but it's close enough to count. And it's good. So find a white rum that you like and try it in this cocktail and let me know how it turns out. To make this drink, we are going to start with our rum. 2 ounces of your white rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And we are going to stir it. Half an ounce of your cinnamon syrup. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. And note, I do make my own cinnamon syrup. The recipe is here on the channel if you'd like to check it out and make it for yourself. Link down below and at the end of the video. And bitters. I'm going to pop 2 dashes of Angostura in there. I have tried other bitters and they work out as well, but today we're using Angostura. Add your ice and give it a stir. Now I'm going to let this sit for a moment because I'm going to get a fancy ice scoop. These are my Skull silicone molds, so I'm going to put one of those in my glass. Wrestle it out. Break it apart. Give me a moment. And I got these molds from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. That ice goes into my ancestral old-fashioned glass. And I'm going to strain my drink on top of that. Garnish. Luxardo cherry. Or maraschino cherry of your choice, or cocktail cherry. Maybe not the Day-Glo red stuff. I'm gonna pop that in there on the side. And a twist of orange. Oh, that worked very well. I'm very impressed with myself. Not pretty, but it's there. Express, wipe, and drop. Let's put it by the cherry so they can be company. And there you have it. A White Cinnamon Cuban Old Fashioned. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Should I continue to call it a C.O.F, a Cuban Old Fashioned, or should I go with my dog's recommendation and call it a R.O.F, Rum Old Fashioned? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you want one, you can have one. Contact me through one of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get one. And while you're at the social media links, you might as well follow me on one of those. Finally, if you made it this far and you want to see more C.O.Fs or R.O.Fs, give me a like, subscribe so you don't miss out. Cheers.